If you remember the box collider updating script, I'm going to do the same thing for the running jump today. So I'm going to press pause during the running jump. And we see that the box collider doesn't really match the player, so I'm going to adjust it. Right now I'm just adjusting the height and the Y center. I'm going to fine tune everything later on. And for now, I think this is good enough. So I'm going to write down the numbers for the box collider for the running jump. And I'm going to go to my jump folder. And create update box collider scriptable object. Name it player jump running update box collider. This doesn't really look good, how the variables are located. Let me just fix that real quick. So center was the one on top, and I'm gonna add a bit of space in the middle just to make it look a little better. Okay, I'm also gonna make sure that the other box collider numbers hasn't changed or anything. And for the running jump, I'll put in the numbers. For speed, I'll just use 10. I can always change that later on. Okay. And I'm gonna drag in the ability into the running jump. So now if I click play, okay, we see that the collider fits the running jump, but it doesn't fit the fall. So again, let me adjust the collider for the fall. And I'm gonna write the numbers down again, because I'm gonna create another scriptable object that updates the box collider, except it's going to be one for the falling animation. I don't think I have a separate folder for falling. I'll just create it here. Update box collider. So player fall update box collider. And I'm going to put in the numbers that I wrote down. Again, I'll just use 10 for speed. And I'm going to drag in the update ability for the fall. Remember, we have two different falls, same animation, but slightly different abilities, but the same box collider. So now if I click play, hopefully we have a collider that fits, and it seems to be working fine. I want to create a separate ground detector for the fall as well. So again, ground detector, player fall ground detector, check time right in the beginning. Distance, I want this distance to be a little more than the default one, so instead of using the general ground detector, we're going to use the one specific for the fall. Same here. Wait a minute. Okay. Let me delete this and use the fall ground detector. And I'm gonna click play again. I don't think it's gonna make much of a difference, but I guess I'm just organizing things. We also have the player falling through the floor for a brief second. You might want to change the collision detection for the rigid body to maybe continuous. You should just try out all these different ones and see what you like. Let me try it again. According to the Unity default documents, you shouldn't have the problems anymore if you have it at continuous. I guess not. There was a bit of a glitch there, but it's not a serious issue. I'm gonna get back to that later on. For now, I think things are working fine. Let me adjust the transition here a little bit. We also don't have the ledge climb for the running jump yet. I'm gonna put it all together later on. Right now I'm just focusing on the big, the main abilities. Not really paying too much attention to every detail yet. For now, we got the basic mechanics working. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.